How to make another account on TikTok. So first step is to open your TikTok application and then proceed to the profile tab. On here, you may click on the middle top part of your screen where your username is displayed and then click on add account. But if you don't have this option, you may click on the three lines on the upper right corner of your screen. Scroll down to the bottom and you can see here the log out or switch account option. Click on switch account and then from here you can choose any method that you want, whatever account you may have. You can choose either email, Facebook, Apple account, Google account, Twitter, and a lot more. In my case, I will use the phone. After this, I will be asked to enter my birthday. Click on this, and afterwards, you need to enter your phone number or your email right here and make sure that the information you provide is working since TikTok will be verifying this before giving you your account. Click on next, verify, and that's how you can make another account on TikTok. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.